It seems like,
this is one of the best artists we have.
Who
now,
told
you
you?
know?
No.
Yes.
You know,
They seem like
His name is Sabale. He's a villain actor.
He's a villain actor.
Nah, he look like an angel.
What?
what he's saying is
But he's a bad guy.
yeah.
He's a bad guy. Look at him.
Yeah, you with me though. You with me. Let me tell you something. You know these guys. You know, this boss song in the song.
Okay.
Okay, introduce yourself. Introduce yourself to the
Yeah,
crowd.
it's Temple twice.
Temple
bro,
Twice.
with
He's
my
a
bro.
singer.
My bro.
He's a musician,
Yeah,
and you're an
yeah,
actor.
nice.
And
This is our
two in
boss.
one.
This is how the man
An actor
can
and a singer.
be a singer.
You got a YouTube play.
Me, I'm just ordinary crew. You understand?
No,
Me too, me too.
He's
Hey.
a superstar right now. We got in the building. Abale in the building.